So hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a Codeship problem solution name. This is my simple template I have saved. Now we will move ahead to understand the problem statement. Right? N teams have come to participate in a competitive coding event called Binary Battles, and they have given that this note that it is a known that n is a power of 2, right? Again, they have given some information about how the game will be. So there will be first round in which x teams will be there, and we will pair the teams, and then we will fix the matches in between them. So if there are x teams, then we will create x by 2 teams, and then the matches begins, right? And they have also mentioned that a single match takes 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes we will have a break of 5 minutes, and then after all of the rounds there will be no break. So this is a simple problem statement. We will start the coding part now. First of all, see, we have to do the repeated division of the given number n, right? So first I will divide n by 2, so it will create a number of matches, right? And then I will start the rounds, and after every round I will count the number of minutes for match, and I will add the number of minutes of break into it, and I will be doing this repeatedly, so I will use while loop. Before that I have to take three inputs, because they have mentioned that the first and only line of each test content n, a and b. These three input I have to take, right? So I will start. I have taken the inputs. Now I will add a while loop, and then inside a while loop I will perform all these required operations. uh, as long as n is greater than 1, this condition also I can give, or while n is not equal to 1, I can give this condition too, but I will use n is greater than 1. As long as n is greater than 1, I will perform repeated operations. After that, what I will do, I will first create a pairs of teams, right? So these are the pairs of teams. Now I will what I will do is that I will create a integer for answer, and I will assign it to 0, right? So first answer will be equal to answer plus this is the number of minutes required for each match, and this is the number of minutes required during the break, right? So this will add up to a single match, and after the break, after that it will compare that if n is greater than 1, and then again it will divide the matches further, because the elimination, it is a elimination round, each round is elimination round, and that's why half of the teams will be disqualified, and again the next time there will be half teams remain, and then again this operation performed, and it will count the number of minutes required uh, for all over the games. But see, we are adding b in the last round also. So they have given clear cut instructions that the last round will not have break, right? So they have mentioned here that no break after last round. So what I will do is I will negate the last round minutes from my current answer, and I will directly print, I will print my answer, which is